We are here to make a difference. We're here to find some solutions and to make long-lasting changes.
This show has really gave us like the branch that we needed to make meaningful change. So it started off with just us venting, but now it's so much more.
We have a platform and it's small, but we are still able to reach people.
I think I've just realized that there's more that I could do as a white person and use my privilege that I've been taking advantage of and try to use that.
Everybody is doing something right now by just being here.
We all can agree, we all have that concern. What's next? What happens after this dies down? We've seen it before and we don't want this to be another trend. It's up to all of us, again, to work together to build that community. We have to keep it going and continue to motivate other people.
We appreciate it, you coming, because we need you, and we all see this problem from different angles, and seeing that problem from multiple lenses is what's going to make us be able to effectively solve it.
There's a lot more focus than there's ever been.
Just know that we can do something.
So what I would encourage everyone to do, I think the best way that folks can have their voices heard are in two different ways, by word of mouth. And the second way to do that is to vote.
Now's the time for change, and it starts with us. So I hope you guys are encouraged and motivated to start making a difference, and I hope to see you on the 19th.
Yes, we'll be in touch, guys.
All right, thank you so much, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.